Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a card vending machine. First, find a machine and look at the different card options available. Once you've decided, simply touch the screen to select your preferred card. The machine will then prompt you to confirm your choice before moving to the next step. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Now, let's talk about payment. Most machines accept various methods. You can insert paper currency into the bill acceptor or use coins in the coin slot. For card payments, either tap your contactless card or insert your chip card into the reader. Be ready to enter your 4-digit PIN or sign on the screen if prompted, ensuring a secure transaction. After successful payment, the machine will process your request. This usually takes only a few seconds. Your new card will then be dispensed into the collection tray, typically located at the bottom front of the machine. Don't forget to also grab your printed receipt, which serves as proof of your purchase and can be helpful for any future inquiries. Here are a few helpful tips. Always ensure you have enough funds, whether cash or card balance, before starting. If an issue occurs, look for error messages on the screen. They often provide guidance. If you encounter persistent problems, locate the customer service number, usually displayed on the machine, and call for assistance. Most transactions are smooth, but it's good to be prepared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.